Solana is currently pumping right now. As you guys can see, I'm just kidding, guys. This is obviously Solana on the 1 minute time frame. But if we have a look at Solana right here on the daily time frame, we could still see a massive pump, up 5.6%. And the big question is, will Solana continue to pump like this? Buy the FUD, obviously, sell the rumor, whatever you want to do. There was a lot of FUD with the FTX disaster that people said, oh, FTX is planning on selling $1.3 billion worth of Solana. Yes, it's a lot. Yes, it's a crap ton of money, but I don't think that will affect the Solana ecosystem. I think that the holders are going to eat those dips. They're going to get, they're just going to get wrecked. Sellers are going to get wrecked. That's all I have to say. But Solana right now is holding a very important support. I actually thought that because we broke below this level at $17, I thought that we were going to see a massive swing to the downside. But you also need to keep in mind, guys, that there was a lot of FUD. There was a lot of bearish news. You also need to keep in mind, if you look at the technical analysis right here, the RSI, we were pretty much oversold. And we know when we're below 70 or 30 on the RSI, that's, a buy signal. When we're above 70, that's a sell signal. So if we have a look right here on Solana, we were pretty much overbought right here. Overbought. Guess what happened? Boom, reversal, okay? Boom, we were right here. We came all the way to the 30 RSI. Boom, that was the perfect opportunity for you to buy. And this happened exactly right here. Guess what happened? Boom, Solana came all the way down to $12, pumped all the way to as high as $34. The same thing happened here. Boom, oversold, came all the way up. Boom, overbought, came down, corrected a little bit, bounced back up. Obviously, we were still a little bit overbought right here. Came up all the way to 67. Boom, bounced back down, oversold, and then came back up again. And then what happened? Boom, we were overbought again, came back down, boom, all the way oversold, came back up. So obviously these analysis on Solana, the RSI on the daily time frame works very well. I wouldn't recommend using that on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, even 15 minute time frame, even 4-hour time frame. I mean, you guys, obviously this doesn't work on every chart, but it seems like Solana is respecting the RSI very well. And this is not every crypto, by the way. Bitcoin doesn't really respect the RSI very well. Ethereum also doesn't really respect. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. But things are looking pretty good. And if we have even a look at the weekly time frame, we could see that Solana, ever since it bottomed, that was a hard rock bottom, dipped below on the 30 RSI, we pretty much saw a massive reversal. Okay, now I'm not saying this is the best reversal, but we did go from $8 all the way up to $34 in a matter of a couple months maybe. So things are looking pretty fantastic right now for Solana. People are destroying the FUD. People are killing, all the bad rumors, and that's about it. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we are seeing some sort of, overbought region right here. I would not short Solana right here. I mean, Solana, Bitcoin, everything is flying. Everything's looking good. If we have a look at the crypto bubble right here, we got Cast up 6.9%. We got Bitcoin up 2.5%. We got Solana up 4.4%. Things are looking great. Chainlink, look at Chainlink making big moves. Chainlink is known to be a sleeper, an absolute sleeper. And we could see right here that Chainlink is making massive moves. So things are looking pretty good for Chainlink. But overall, guys, Solana is looking great. I mean, after the FUD right here that we saw about a week ago, you could see that things are looking fantastic. Very beautiful growth right here on Solana. If we have a look, let's see, I do want to have a look not at the VPVR RSI moving average. If we have a look at the moving averages right here, we could see that we did flip over the 200 moving average, which is obviously very bullish. If we have a look on the 4-hour time frame, we are coming and testing the 400 moving average or the 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which is obviously going to be very interesting. Now, why is this going to be interesting? Because the last time we were essentially above, the 200 moving average was this area right here. Okay, so it was August 9th, 2023, and we haven't really retested that ever since. We haven't had a proper retest, and the big question is, how big will this retest go, and will Solana break a bullet above the 200 moving average on this retest? Now, we know what happened the last time we saw a golden cross right here on Solana. This thing pretty much exploded and went parabolic, and the big question is, are we going to see this golden cross happening again on Solana? Because if we do, we could see a lot of bullishness on Sol. So that's what's happening right now, guys. Solana, I do want to have a look at CoinMarketCap, not CoinMarketCap, but BitDegree instead, looking at Solana. I really like it. If we have a look at Sol right here and we have a look at the market cap, Solana, we could see that the market cap is currently sitting at $8.1 billion. Fully diluted is $11 billion. The volume is fantastic, 243 million in the last, in the last 24 hours. That's a lot of money, especially considering that we're still in a bear market. $250 million is obviously pretty good. Charts are looking good. The community is looking good. They have 2.26 million followers on X. I mean, I think Solana is going to do wonders in the next bull market. It's only a matter of time. I think we could definitely see Solana to $500 to $1,000. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in